The nation's daily COVID-19 tally stood above 600 again, raising concerns about a fresh wave of cases. Health authorities are working to simplify the virus curve level to make it clearer, more sustainable, and efficient. Kidm Doyeon has our top story.
For the second day in a row on Thursday, the number of new COVID-19 cases was 621, and the number of local infections was also the same at 590. The day before was the first time that new cases had surpassed 600 in over a month. If the number stays in the 600s for the next few days, that would meet the threshold for raising social distancing to level 2.5. Many of the new cases stem from clusters at workplaces.
At these workplaces, there is a high proportion of foreign workers, so their living in dormitories was one reason for the increase in exposure. We would like to emphasize the importance of following the guidelines, especially for crowded workplaces or ones with dorms.
The authorities are concerned about the possibility that this week's uptick could be just the beginning of a fourth wave. In fact, they think it'll take a number of days before the figures reflect cases resulting from the mass cross-country travel seen over the recent holiday. They're also looking into adjusting the current social distancing scheme. There have been complaints from a wide range of groups that the current system is unfair and unclear. So the new rules will likely be simpler and more flexible, aiming to minimize interference with businesses by making the rules more efficient. But there'll be stronger punishments and penalties for violations. To make it more systematic, for example, the 5-tier distancing system will be changed to include rules on the size of social gatherings, an area that was added on top of the system before. South Korea has been closely watching the measures taken in other countries as well to see what might work here. New Zealand has been the model for the social bubble rule, where people form a limited exclusive group to meet repeatedly. In Belgium, a household is only allowed to have one specific visitor. And England, at the toughest lockdown level, allows only one session of outdoor exercise a day. The new system in South Korea is being designed with input from a wide range of experts, but there's no date yet for when it'll take effect. Kidm Doyeon, Arirang News.